In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio website in an afternoon. First, open your website dashboard in your browser and sign in. We'll be working inside your site's editor so you can see changes as you go. Once you're in, look to the main navigation on the left and click Pages. This is where your site structure lives, and it's the best place to organize your portfolio. Next, follow the highlighted controls to navigate to your portfolio area. Then select Portfolio from your list of pages. If you see a page or section titled Our Work Speaks for Itself, click that. It's a common placeholder title for a portfolio page, and we'll refine it shortly. Use the highlighted buttons you see to open the detailed view of that portfolio page. You'll notice options appearing beside or beneath the page name. Click the highlighted control to expand the page options, and then open the page's settings. This is where you'll fine-tune visibility, SEO, and how your portfolio appears when shared. Inside Settings, choose Status. Here, confirm whether the page is set to be visible, hidden, or password protected while you're working. Keeping it hidden while you edit can be helpful. Just remember to make it visible when you're ready to publish. Now, go to the SEO section. This area helps search engines and social platforms understand your page. You'll see fields for titles and descriptions that appear in search results. Keep your title clear and your description concise and benefits-focused so visitors know exactly what they'll find. Next, open Social Image. This is the image used when your portfolio page is shared on social networks or messaging apps. Click Add an image and choose a strong, on-brand visual. Ideally, a 1200 by 630 pixel JPG or PNG that represents your best work. After uploading, use the highlighted control to confirm or save the image so it applies across platforms. Head back to General. Here, click into the title field using the highlighted input. Update the page title to something short, descriptive, and searchable. For example, Design Portfolio or Photography Portfolio. Consistency is key. The title you set here should match what you want visitors and search engines to see. When you're done, use the highlighted controls to save your changes and exit settings. Give the page a quick preview to confirm the title, visibility, and social image all look right. That's it. Your portfolio page is organized, optimized, and ready to share. If you have multiple portfolio pages, repeat the same process for each to keep everything uniform and